design definition, design in a sentence, design pronunciation, design meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of design. 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 Design as a noun means an image showing the look and function of an object, a style or a model, or an approach to how something is created. Common usages in academic writing: a modern design, a prototype design, an original design, a classic design. Designed to spec. Example sentences: design, noun. Modern architectural designs often contain many wide angles and smooth curves in lieu of boxy right angles. Example sentence number 2, despite the original design flaws, the product sold for millions in the Western markets. Please write a sentence using design in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know design's pronunciation, design's meaning, and how to use design in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.